Hi folks, my name is Anthony. I'm here at Shults Ford South, standing in front of a 2020 Expedition Max Platinum. It's a beautiful vehicle, very elegant. You could tell by the exterior features of it being a Platinum with the metalish finish on the front, the side, and the roof rails. And on your mirror caps, this vehicle comes with 400 horsepower, 480 torque, plenty of power to move your family. As you see, you walk up to the vehicle, keyless entry. You touch this driver's side door, it's going to unlock and recognize the key on you. When you pull this door, check out the power driver's side and passenger side folding running boards. Very convenient to get into the vehicle, okay? Inside the vehicle, tons of features on the Platinum, tons of safety features. You got heated seats, cold seats, you got Ford Pass Connect, you got Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Get the kiddies in the back, connect up the iPads, the gaming system, anything that's going to use the Wi-Fi. 3-month free subscription, and then you can sign up for it after that. All right, let me take you to the back here. Show you these 22-inch wheels that come on this edition. And as I mentioned, this is the Max model. Now the Max model gives you 16.9 inches of additional space. Power tailgate, does have a kick feature also to lift. 16.9 inches additional space back here compared to the regular size. And we also got power folding middle and rear seats. Comes down flat for loading and all the space in the world. And again, power tailgate that will close with a touch button or the remote. So we're on the inside of this vehicle. Wanted to show you a couple things. You got your 8-inch touchscreen here. You got your heated and cold seats. This model does come with the trailer backup assist. This vehicle will even park itself. No joke. Park active assist here. You press this, you pull up under the parking spot, it will pull the vehicle in. It will also pull it back out for you. Now you control the gas, the vehicle will steer itself. Also has lane keep assist in this vehicle, Ford co-pilot assist, pre-collision assist, pedestrian collision warning, everything you can think of in this vehicle. You got your 360 camera, shows you all around the vehicle. You're pulling out of the driveway, you don't run over any toys, anything like that. You got your twin panel moonroof here, great feature. Front does slide back, the rear is fixed. And we got Apple CarPlay, we got Android Auto. You can pull up applications off your phone such as Waze, Spotify, anything you use on your phone that is compatible with there, you can use on the screen, Pandora, etc. All right, you do have the Wi-Fi hotspot in the system. As mentioned, 3-month free trial. You can sign up for it after with AT&T. Kids can use the iPads in the vehicle, connect with the Wi-Fi, etc. Ford Pass Connect also downloaded on your phone, compatible with this vehicle. You can remote start, lock, and unlock from your phone with this vehicle. You can also check your tire pressure, your gas mileage. You can check your location of the vehicle. And if you finance with Ford Credit, you can also manage your account on the application. Makes everything really easy for you. Again, I am Anthony here from Shults Ford South. I introduced to you our 2020 Expedition. If you are interested in checking out this 2020 Expedition or any model Ford offers, please come down and visit us here at Shults Ford South. Or you can also visit our website 24/7 on schultzford.com. Thank you.